Making $500 per day requires a combination of skills, strategy, and often a blend of active and passive income streams. Here are some options depending on you can offer high-paying services if you have skills in software development, design, marketing, writing, video editing, etc. Consulting in your field of expertise if you have experience in a specific field like finance, business strategy, or coaching. Online businesses and e-commerce like dropshipping, selling products through an online store without holding inventory. Create and sell digital items like books, templates, software, or online courses. Affiliate marketing, promote products for a commission. Investing in stock market trading, day trading, or swing trading stocks, options, or Forex can provide significant daily returns if you have the knowledge and strategy. Real estate flipping by buying, renovating, and reselling properties. Dividends and passive investing can build a portfolio that pays dividends. YouTube and blogging, building a YouTube channel or a blog with substantial traffic allows you to monetize via ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate. Podcasting, if you have a niche audience, you can monetize through sponsorships, ads, and premium content. Real estate rental properties, owning real estate properties and renting them out, either long-term or short-term. House hacking, buying a multi-unit properties. Sell high-ticket items, focus on selling high-value products or services such as luxury items, premium consulting packages, or coaching programs. Becoming a real estate agent and closing on high-value properties can net significant commissions. Example: selling a $10,000 service with a 5% commission gives you $500 for one sale. Domain flipping, buying and selling domain names can be highly profitable if you find valuable domain names. Online tutoring or course creation, you can teach on online platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera allow you to create and sell courses. Private tutoring of students online, especially in high-demand subjects like math, coding, or SAT prep. Local business services such as cleaning, landscaping, or home repair. Event services. If you have skills in photography, event planning, or catering, offering these services for weddings, corporate events, or parties. Passive income streams such as real estate investment trusts invest in REITs that pay. Higher earning opportunities often require specialized knowledge or expertise, so investing and learning can pay off.